At UIC, medical education is evolving with changes in technology, and Healthcare Simulation Week, September 15th through 19th, was the perfect time to showcase that. The College of Nursing introduced its newest high-tech teaching tool, MamaAnne, a lifelike birthing manikin that allows students to practice complex obstetric scenarios in a safe, controlled environment. MamaAnne gives them hands-on experience with everything from breached births to postpartum hemorrhage. At the Christine Schwartz Simulation Lab, students delivered MamaAnne's baby, complete with realistic breath sounds, contractions, and even placenta delivery. As Dean Eileen Collins said, teaching through simulation offers high-stakes scenarios with low-stakes consequences. It prepares students for real-world challenges they may not encounter during their clinical rotations. Down the street from the Simulation Lab, the College of Medicine Simulation and Integrative Learning Institute employs trained actors to perform the role of patients and interact with students. Their Rehearsal for Authenticity program lets students experiment with communication styles and helps them build the empathy and confidence they'll need in their careers as healthcare providers. You can find more stories on today.uic.edu.